everyone, my name is Missy. I am the social media and branding specialist at Wicked Thrift, but I wasn't always that. I've been at Wicked for 8 years. Let me put something different on this mannequin real quick. That's better. I wanted to do a video talking from me to you about how we clean. We want to keep you safe, we want to keep us safe, so let's get into it. So first and foremost, there are a maximum of 10 people allowed in the space at one time. We do encourage social distancing with the maximum of 10 people in the front of the house at all times. We also do require masks worn properly as well, over the nose, over the mouth. These are our two main crime fighters when it comes to cleaning. We have our Ozium air sanitizer. We use this to spray down the clothing. I also use this to spray down the jewelry table. Next are the Lysol wipes. Now, Lysol wipes, 10 out of 10. We use this all day, every day. We go through a lot of these because we have a lot to wipe down, so let's go through that together. We come over to the front door. We'll start at the very end here. We will pull across. We'll open the door here, and a lot of people will avoid the bar actually and kind of go here. So we like to wipe down right here. Same thing on the other side. We'll wipe down this part and the pull handle because that's kind of the only way you're able to open the door. So there is that. When we are wiping down a rack, it's super important to hit all of the metal spots. So we will go like this throughout the tops of all of the hangers. We like to also wipe down the very top because not everyone will, move the clothing like this. They come down here, they want a better sense of leafing through. We wipe them down, we move them around, and we do that with every single rack. We do a thorough cleaning in the mornings before we open and also at nights after we close. But throughout the day, as people are coming in and out of the store, we are wiping, we are spraying, we are putting things back to sanitize. So that is our cleaning process in its entirety. We want to make sure everyone is happy and healthy this holiday season.